I'm with Southwest Florida Off-Leash Canine, and this is Mr. Winslow. He's a 2-year-old Boston Terrier. He's here with me for a 2-week board and train. We'll be working on heel, sit, down, place, manners in public, and then of course working on that off-leash heel. Our owners have let us know he does pull a fair amount on the leash, and I've felt that already. He's a tiny little guy, but he has some good pull behind him. Here we go. So it just seems like he didn't have a lot of rules to follow, and he definitely needs an outlet. He has the Boston Terrier energy, so we'll be working on play with him. So we'll see what he knows. Day 1 of drop off. Winslow! Winslow, sit! No, sit! Winslow, no, sit! Okay. Winslow! Winslow! Winslow, sit! Aw, good. Sit, bud. Okay. Winslow, face. Winslow, face. Ah, good boy. Good boy. Come on, face. Yes, good boy. Okay. All right, Winslow. Winslow, come. No, come. Winslow, come. Good boy. There we go. Winslow, come. All right. All right, so we'll definitely be playing some games. He definitely needs something to focus on. But you see about where we're at? Check back in 2 weeks.